Hello everybody, welcome back. I've got the collector's case for March. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to get notified of any upcoming videos, please ring that bell. Okay, before we get started, I am giving away an 11 with Eggos chase figure. If you're interested in that, click on this card up here or the link in the description. All the rules are there, and this could be yours. Okay, March's collector's case. All right. There we go. Probably couldn't see much because of the paper. So first we have, yes, Batman hoodie. Okay, next we have, there's another socks, another hoodie. And it is Batman also. So 1, 2, 3. All right. So is this a Batman themed box? You know, although the hoodie season's almost gone here. Something small here. Oh, I think it is a Batman themed box. We got a Batman fidget spinner. Alright, so 2 Batman hoodies and a Batman fidget spinner. Okay, next we have, looks like a DC Bombshells pennant. It says, collect them all. There's Wonder Woman, Harley Quinn, Poison Ivy, and Supergirl. There we go. And it is Wonder Woman. These felt pennants are pretty cool. I've never gotten one yet though. This is my first. So Batman and Wonder Woman so far. So the chance for an autograph, I wonder if it's somebody, must be somebody from Justice League. Oh, it shows something big here. Wonder Woman, black and white sketch. I thought I had a black and white Wonder Woman bombshell. Okay, maybe it was just the rock candy. This is very cool. I'll look closer when I get into it, but maybe it was just the rock candy that I had that was black and white. So next are some, Hub Snaps. Click 'em, flick 'em, stick 'em, 2 Hub Snaps. Have no idea what these are. I guess they make a clicking sound, but I'm going to save this for my nieces or nephew. We're going out to see them, so give me something to give to them. Okay, the spoiler card. Oh, DareDevil comic. Timely Comics #1. There you go. Open a few pages. That's very cool. And that was it. No picture. Oh, bummer. I thought I saw something down the bottom, but it must have been the comic upside down. Okay. So, we got the Batman fidget spinner. There was a variety of colors you could have got. The Cryptoics DC Bombshell Pennant, and you could have got any of the 4 bombshells. Cryptoic DC Bombshell Figure, Wonder Woman Sketch Exclusive. Did you know this is the second sketch bombshell we've had in a case? The first bombshell, Harley Quinn, appeared in last year's July case. The July case is still available on Collector's Case Store. That's probably what it was the Harley Quinn that I'm thinking of that I had. The DareDevil comic, issue #1. Neon Hub Snaps. They're showing a Batman and a Daredevil one. No, couldn't be Daredevil. Are these just DC? It looks like just DC. Alright, no, that's a Superman logo. Okay, so the Bat Beanie. So I guess you were supposed to get one of these 4, and I got 2. But it says you could have got a bonus mystery pop. I got a bonus beanie, which I'm not complaining about. I'd like to have gotten, especially since it was a Daredevil, a Daredevil's autograph. I would have loved to have gotten that. I may have to buy this case again just to get the autograph. That would be cool. Okay, so I liked it. Double check. There's nothing left in there. I think this was a very good case. This is like the best value case in the U.S. So, don't forget, you can get into the raffle for this 11 with Eggos Chase figure by clicking the card up above or the link in the description. Leave me a comment down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. You have a wonderful day.